I found this bicycle frame in a junkyard. I think this framework still deserves to be resurrected. Without thinking much, I immediately worked on this frame. And this is the finish.
俺の嫌いなもんが3つあるって知ってたか？さあな、ガキとケダモンと跳ねっかいの
See you again on this channel. Sorry for the process in the next video, my brother, because yesterday my cell phone was broken. And my camera was stolen by thieves. In the next content I will start to be active again. Thank you for continuing to support.